Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I've got an Amazon unboxing. Before I get into this, I'm just going to say sorry about the lighting. If you've been following me, you will know that I have switched craft areas. I went from a spare bedroom to my front living room, and I'm trying to figure out my lighting in here. And it's late in the afternoon, so it's late in the afternoon. So, alright, so what I have in here is not diamond painting related. It is for adult coloring. So, let's get into what is in here. And I hope everybody's had a great day today. Today's been a little cooler, actually. I think it's like in the 80s. So that's been pretty good. Alright, so what do I have? Well, we will go ahead and do these first. Bins that you can see. So what these are pencil case roll cases, and all that it is a piece of fabric, if you can see this, and it's got these little places in here that you put your pencils. Okay, this one is supposed to hold 24 pencils, and here's one of my pencils for my diamond painting, but they just go in there, and then the tip will go up under this flap. So what I thought about putting in here was the 24 roll, or the my pack of skin tones from Crayola, so that when I am coloring, I can lay this out and I'll see every one of them instead of trying to look in a box or dumping them out on my table. I can just put them in here, and then you just roll this up, you tie it off, and then there you have it. But this one holds 24 pencils, and it was, let me see, well, let me see what I gave for this. It is listed for $8.99, but I don't think that's what I gave for it. But maybe I did. And if you look on the back of it, it's got skulls and roses on it. So yeah, I guess I did give $8.99 for this one. But it's supposed to hold 84 pencils. Alright, so there's that one. Now this one, it's the same thing. It's called a fabric roll case, and this one holds 100. So again, it has got this fabric sewn in, and you just put your little pencils or your markers or whatever in there, and the tip goes right underneath this fabric, and then you just roll it up, tie it off, and there you go. And then on the back of this is just fall trees in the sky. And let me look. What did I give for this one? I'm looking. Let's see. I gave $7.99 for this one. And no, this holds 72. So, this one I got for my marker set, my pencil set that I got that was in that round container. The Sioux color pencils is what I got this one for. Okay, so the next thing that I got was this. Now, I was looking for a pencil sharpener and an eraser because somebody I read said that colored pencils are, you can erase them, some of them. So, I was looking, and the price on just a good pencil sharpener was the price that I paid for all of this. This was a bundle deal, and I gave $10 for this. And this has got 1, 2, 3 erasers. And as you can see, that one is, and it's all from Prismacolor. So you know they're going to be good. But there are 3 different types of erasers. Don't ask me what the different things are. Right there it tells you. Because y'all, I'm a newbie and honestly don't even know if I got the right stuff. But for the price of an eraser and the price of a sharpener, I was going to pay way, way more than what I just paid. And then there's 2 blender pencils. What these do, I don't know. But everybody talks about having a blender pencil. So I guess I will find out. So, yeah. And then, of course, there's the eraser, which is from Scholar. And y'all, I don't even pretend to know what I'm doing. I'm not even going to pretend that I do, because I don't. So hopefully some of you who are big into coloring can tell me, am I doing things correctly, or should I just stop and just, you know, give me some ideas, hints, tips, pointers. Y'all, come on. Alright, so the other thing that I got, which I thought was a pretty good deal, was the Fiskars gel pens. Now, these were on sale, and I gave, let me see, what did I give for these? Well, let me look. I thought this might be easier, me just looking instead of writing all this down and then, you know, trying to, you know, tell y'all about it. But it looks like I need to go back to my old ways and just write this mess down. Okay, this is a 48-piece set of assorted colors. And I gave $18.43 for this. And they were on sale, but I don't remember how much they were. I'm wanting to say they were like maybe 20-something, 30-something dollars. I don't remember. So, they had a large review. Because, y'all, I check the reviews of everything that I purchase before I buy it. But these had a lot of good reviews. So, I went ahead and got these. I thought, well, even if they're not that great, it's good for starters. So, alright, y'all. So, what do you think about what I got? I need to know from you experienced coloring people. So, what do y'all think? I don't think I did too bad. I mean, I don't know. Like I said, I'm not even going to pretend to know. So, this is something I'm just getting into, and, you know, I'm not used to all this. Back when I was coloring, we just had a box of crayons and a coloring book and some Crayola colored pencils if you wanted to use colored pencils. So, I'm not used to all these different mediums and all this stuff, and I really don't want to sink a whole lot of money into this, just in case this is something that I'm like, no, I'm going to go back to my diamond painting. So, yeah, can y'all please let me know what I need, just the basics. Am I good to get rolling? Is there something I'm missing? Yeah, so, alright, y'all. Again, I apologize for the lighting, the glare. I'm still working on the setup. So, alright, y'all. Until my next video, I hope everybody has a great weekend, and I will see everybody later. Bye, y'all.